In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create footnotes in Beehiiv. Footnotes can be quite useful for adding extra details or citations without cluttering the main body of your text. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly add them to your posts with ease. So, let's get started. First, you need to log into your Beehiiv account. Go ahead and enter your login credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to the Posts section. This is where you can see all the posts you've created or have been working on. Now let's create a new post, or if you prefer, you can edit an existing one. Click on Create New Post or open a post from your list that you'd like to edit. This will bring you into the Beehiiv post editor, where all the magic happens. Once you're in the editor, here's where you'll start incorporating footnotes. To create an inline footnote, type two circumflex symbols, which look like this, X. As soon as you type these symbols, the editor automatically creates an inline footnote marker and also generates a new section below your main content where you can add the details of your footnote. This feature is fantastic because it takes away the hassle of manually formatting your document, thus saving you a lot of time. But what if you want to assign a specific number to your inline footnote? Easy. You type one circumflex symbol and then follow it with a number, for instance a 1 or a 2, whatever suits your sequence of footnotes. This is particularly useful if your post is heavily footnoted or if you're looking to maintain a specific order. Next, let's talk about linking to your footnote. Highlight the text that you want to link to your footnote. Then glance at the toolbar above the text editor. You'll see a little link icon. Go ahead and click that. Now you paste the link that points directly to the footnote section that Beehiiv created for you. This creates a smooth browsing experience for your readers. They'll be able to click on the text and easily navigate to the footnote, making sure they can quickly find the additional information or source that you've provided. And there you have it. You've learned how to create and link footnotes in Beehiiv, enhancing your post with supplementary details or sources without overloading your main content. Now give it a try in your next post and see how straightforward it is. As always, thank you for watching and happy writing.